nice y'all could drop in on me today. Things gets kinda quiet here at Smitty's Super Service Station sometimes. What with the gas situation the way it is and all, we've had to stop selling gasoline altogether. Once it got past 25 cents a gallon, I didn't have no more friends what could afford it nohow.
But things will be alright soon.
Cause, as you can see, I'm making up a newfangled formula down here on the floor. Yeah, it's made of lots of good stuff, and it's in this little container, and it gets all boiled up and everything, and it comes out this long tube all the way down into this barrel, and I call it gasohol. Yeah, we can use it in our car, or drink it. And have such a wonderful day. Hey there, Looney Bird. Folks, I'd like you to meet my friend here. This here's the Looney Bird. I can't afford a watchdog, so Looney Bird here moved in to watch over my secret formula. How much gasohol we got so far, Looney Bird? Just a minute, baby. He's probably gonna measure real accurate like exactly how much gasohol we got. Oh dear. I guess you better put on some more corn squeezins, huh, Bob? Yeah, I guess I better. I just hope the Looney Bird don't become some kind of gasaholic. Hey, Looney Bird, it's time for your favorite part of the show. It's time to go already. No, I mean it's time to get down and get funky.
Sorta.
Roast beef sandwich and a pizza.
A roast beef. Catch away. The calendar is so full and gone.